Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to edit your image in Grok. So Grok AI is actually a very good AI app where you can use to edit your photos, images, and videos as well. It's a very amazing app. But before I do that, please click on the subscribe button. It really helps a lot. So let's get right into the video. So first thing first, open up. You need to actually install the Grok AI using your Play Store or Apple Store. So once installed, you just need to open it up and start using it. You can decide to sign in or not. And for your PC, you can just search for it on your Google and look for the official website and start using it as well. So all you need to do is you can see, sorry, so you'll be on the asked mode of the Grok AI because there's asked and imagine, as you can see on my screen. So first thing do is click on this right here where you get to impute the image you want to edit. So I'm going to impute one. So I'll be using this. So, and after you select the image, next thing you have to do is you need a prompt, a very good prompt, right? You can actually tell it to remove an object, you can tell it to add an object, you can tell it to change the saturation, the color, and a lot of things. Anything you want it to do, it can actually do. So I'll be using this one to change the background to a party like, and I'm going to click on this arrow right here, and it's going to work out perfectly fine. This right here, click on it. So let's see what the result is going to be. And you need a very good internet connection for it to work faster and better. So you can see the edit is so lovely. I really love this. You can see it's looking all good and nice. You can see the before and the after. Right. Would you love to actually try using your Grok to edit your photos? Let me know in the comment section. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. This is my next video. Bye.